Months to go for the elections in Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be in the state today and he's going to be launching a number of projects. The most high profile of them is in fact the inauguration of the Kushinagar International Airport. Now the ceremony for the inauguration will begin at 10 this morning. Built at a cost of 260 crore rupees, the airport will ease travel of domestic and international pilgrims to the Mahaparinirvana site of Lord Buddha. The inauguration ceremony of the airport will be marked by the landing of a flight from Colombo that will be carrying a delegation of over 100 Buddhist monks and dignitaries. Prime Minister Modi will pay his respects to the reclining statue of Lord Buddha at the Mahaparinirvana temple in Kushinagar. He will also be planting a Bodhi tree sapling there. Now, apart from that, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of 12 development projects during his power-packed visit. One of them, a very important one, is the Rajkiya Medical College that will be built at a cost of 280 crore rupees. So a number of key points that will in fact be taken up, but Kushinagar International Airport and the inauguration of this will be the biggest headline.
स्वाभाविक रूप से ये विकास की एक नई उड़ान है। पर्यटन और रोजगार की संभावनाओं को आगे बढ़ाने और प्रधानमंत्री जी के विजन और उनके संकल्पों को जमीनी स्तर तक पहुंचाने का एक नया अभियान है।
मोदी जी और योगी जी की सरकार विकास के मुद्दे पर जनता से जो वादा किया था, एक एक करके वो सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एयरपोर्ट की स्थापना भगवान की इस बुद्ध नगरी कुशीनगर में होने जा रहा है। वहीं पर चिर प्रतीक्षित मेडिकल कॉलेज का भी शुभारंभ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी कार्यक्रमों से होगा।
UP government is planning to expand the infrastructure and international tourism in the state, and this airport where we are right now, you are watching exclusively on India Today. This just in front of me here, where you can see the emergency exit, it is actually the arrival, the departure gate, and on the other hand there is the arrival gate. It is also very important that with the fact that how this airport will not only be serving flights domestically but internationally, and for that internationally security check, immigration and custom is something which is of uttermost importance, which is on the right hand side of us, where you can see these counters are there for the immigration and custom. Now this is the lounge area where every details of the flights will be displayed on the LED screens. It is also expected that not only the tourism but also the industrial development will also be possible with the local vendors and the local art getting exposure to export their respective products internationally through this route.
Prime Minister Modi has a packed schedule in Uttar Pradesh today, but the biggest highlight is the inauguration of the Kushinagar International Airport. Let's get your details also about this mega project. This airport has been built at a cost of 260 crore rupees. Also, it will facilitate travel to the final resting place of Lord Buddha. So the government is hoping that this will lead to a lot of footfall in Kushinagar. It will also ease domestic and international travel to the Buddhist holy sites, and that's why the Prime Minister is there to inaugurate this airport. Now this airport, according to the government, will also help in boosting employment opportunities, investment, and largely help the locals also of the area.